Hey guys, this is Michaela at Cold Creek Nurseries, and I'm excited to tell you about one of our new arrivals, and that's the peony, or depending on how you say it, you may say peony. So I have peonies growing in my yard. We get the question all the time, oh, will the peonies grow here? Yes, they will. The trick to it is they need morning sunlight, 4 to 6 hours, and then they need afternoon shade. I do have to admit, as a gardener, I have done this wrong in my yard, and they are in full sun in the afternoon. Early spring, these plants love it in my yard. In the afternoon, they're hurting a little bit, so this year I think I will move them. But you plant your peony in the morning sunlight, give it the afternoon shade. We have a large variety that I'm holding up here. We have the Raspberry Sunday, we have Carl Rosenfield, we have Dewtail, Crinkled, and many more varieties for you with many colors there. The great thing about these guys, they're deer resistant. We like that. When you plant them in the ground in that morning sunlight, make sure you get some good compost into the ground. Make sure that that area is well drained. And another cool thing about them is they're a great cut flower to cut and bring inside the house. They do attract the butterflies and they're fragrant. So add some of these wonderful hardy perennials to your garden.